Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Java Runtime environment and set JRE path in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type system information in Windows search bar. Click System Information. My system type is 64-bit. Type JRE download in browser search bar. Click JRE Java Runtime environment. Click Agree and start free download. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install. Click Close. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Select Path. Click Edit. Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive. Program Files, Java. Open JRE folder. Open bin folder. Copy director path. Click New Path. Paste directory path. Click OK. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.